Here is the working principle of 4-stroke petrol engine. The diagram shows inductions, which is the piston pull down and air and fuel are introduced into the cylinder. Second step, compression. Compress the air and fuel mixture into the cylinder so you can see the piston push up. The third one is power. So the spark plug form a spark in the spark plug tips, so to ignite the compressed air and fuel mixture in the cylinder. So the piston push down. The last one, exhaustion. The pistons push up, expelling the waste gas. So this is working principle of 4-stroke petrol engine. And here is the animation of 2-stroke engines. So you can see, okay, I stop here, and you can see the spark plug here, cylinder. This space is called cylinder, and exhaust port, transfer port, crankcase, and this is valve. So in this case, the pistons push up, so you can see the volume of cylinder becomes smaller, which is the compression. And at the same time, the crankcase is completely sealed, so you can see the volume become bigger, so will form the vacuum. So you can see the valve will open here like this. Okay, piston still push up, so you can see compression, and then almost at the top, you can see the spark plug has a spark to ignite air and fuel mixture in the cylinder. So pistons push down, so you can see power come up. At the same time, you can see the crankcase. So the crankcase volume becomes smaller, so you can see the valve will close like this. So the piston push down to form power, and then you can see the exhaust port opened by the piston, which is called exhaustion. And since the crankcase is pressurized air and mixture, so you can see the pressurized air and mixture will form the push to the cylinder through the transfer port here like this. So this is called induction. Okay, so still keep going. So now is one revolution, and this is 2-stroke engines. So in the petrol engine, there's a component is called the carburetor, and the carburetor has a component is called choke. So this is the choke. So main function of the choke is to help the engine start up in cold weather or from cold conditions. So before startup, you need to pull the choke. So the choke is activate. So it means that the choke is closed like this. So the choke is closed, the air become blocked. So less air, more fuel, so engine easy to start. Once the engine start, you need to open again, make it to the normal. So this is the choke function. And this is gearbox. So now the gearbox is the engine start up, and the gear is neutral in neutral gear. So you can see the engines is still running, but the propeller doesn't rotate. Now go for the forward gear. So the clutch go to engage to the forward clutch. So you can see the propeller rotate in the clockwise position like this. And I want to go to reverse. So first you need to make the neutral gear first in the idle. So the engine is still running, but the propeller doesn't rotate. Now the clutch to go to the backward thrust. So reverse. So the engine go to reverse direction. And then here the red gear is called driven gear. So main function of this one is move backward. So you can see using this gear to make it another direction, which means that the propeller go to the anti-clockwise. So this is gearbox. And this is a help change navigation direction. So now I want to go to auto course to left. So turn the wheel, go to left. You can see the radar angle indicator pointing to the left direction. So it means that the radar go to left direction. And auto course to right. So turn the wheel to the right position. So you can see the radar angle indicator to show to the right direction, which is the radar go to the right direction. So this is the help systems to make the boat turn left or turn right.